What are you playing in?
The snow.
What is that? I'm asking Zay. What is that? Snow? Mia, what is that? Oh.
Snow.
What are you doing?
Throwing snowballs.
At who?
You.
Do you think that's nice or not nice?
Not nice.
Not nice.
No, she was talking to me. I could say it. You told it to me.
I was talking to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait, throw it really, how far, let me see how far you can throw it that way. Good job.
Watch me. Watch me run over there.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you run over there.
Watch me throw it.
Don't hit him with the... Mia. Good job, Zay. Now run back. Don't hit him with the snowball.
I'm trying to throw snowballs.
Good job, Isaiah. Are you super fast?
He's gonna try to get me. He's a mean one.
Mia, pull your hat down a little bit more. There you go.
Hey, I want it this way.
Which way? Oh, okay. Is that the way it goes?
Yes.
You have lovely hair.
Help me put this on, please.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put the camera down. Okay, let's see. Ready? Is that good?
I want this the other way.
That's the way it goes, so you could see.
No, I want it the other way.
There's a tag in the back, honey.
No care.
And look, see? Look, it looks perfect. It's fitting your face, and it keeps your ears warm at the same time. Look at me and smile. Hey, Mia. What are you doing, dude?
Take the off. This is a big snowball. Hey, look, it looks
That's
like
a giant. It does look like a ship. Good job.
I'm almost hitting the snowball and he's almost breaking. Some of his body is broken. Oh.
You okay, Zay? No, Mommy's car. Mommy's car needs a new battery.
You need more battery.
I need a new battery, yeah.
Wow. Mia, over there.
Can you go get her?
Bug on my snowball.
There's a bug in your snowball?
No, under. Squished it.
Ooh, good job.
It was already squished. The bugs are all frozen, aren't they?
They must be. It's pretty cold out here.
Over there.
Yeah, that's a kitty.